The diagnosis of laryngomalacia is mostly clinical, meaning that like you'll take them to your doctor or your lactation consultant. Often those are the ones that are diagnosing it because it's happening during feeding in those mild cases, which is the vast majority of them. So they would just go, oh, yep, they'd listen with a stethoscope and figure out, is the noise coming from an inhalation or an exhalation, and get a really good assessment on that. For anybody who's listening who maybe has a baby going through this, my fourth Sunday was born, and she was like, a little bit noisy as a newborn can be, but typically symptoms don't really start until somewhere between like 10 and 14 days. So those early newborn sounds don't necessarily mean anything. With laryngomalacia, which is far more common than bronchomalacia, thank goodness, it's on the inhale. So they're like, or like, like Sunny sounded like a goose sometimes, like a honking goose.